Self-confident looks so good on everybody's face, especially for someone who's really thinking of achieving big in life. I have someone जिसके सपने उनकी आंखों से, उनकी लाइफ से कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़े हैं और वो बहुत सारी ऊंचाइयां हासिल करना चाहती हैं. We have Akash Byju's में with us Sanya. Hi Sanya, welcome.
Thank you.
Sanya, you want to become a doctor, right? So how did you decide to become a doctor?
I decided it on my own. I wanted to become a doctor, and that is because I want to render humanitarian services.
So when you decided to become a doctor, like that's what your profession, that's what you have to do in life, how did Akash Byju's play that role?
Now I have heard of Akash Byju's a lot in my life, and it has a very competitive and student-friendly environment. The teachers are very cooperative, and they are ready to do anything for a student, what a student desires. So this is what attracted my attention the most.
Okay. So I'm sure family का support भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहा होगा. So whenever you have any trouble in your life, किसके पास सबसे पहले जाते हो?
My mother, the one I sought most after. Yeah.
Okay. And how is she helping you with your studies and your dreams?
She gives me the most wonderful advice I require from her. She is always supportive, and yeah, the best suggestions are always from her, always.
Okay. And both your parents are okay that you becoming a doctor? Is that what they also dream of?
Yeah, they always dreamt of me becoming a doctor.
And ऐसी कुछ टिप्स और ट्रिक्स और एडवाइसेस तुम नीट एस्पिरेंट्स को देना चाहोगी जो अभी इस वक्त प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं अपने एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए और थोड़ा नर्वस भी होंगे, आई एम वेरी श्योर.
जी अगर मैं अपनी पूरी जर्नी को एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करूँ then definitely it has to be hard work. You have to do hard work consistently. There needs to be a schedule. You have to make good notes, and always whenever you are stuck in a situation, go after teachers. They're the best. So this is what I want to tell all the students out there, that please be consistent with the schedule and do as much as hard work you can, because hard work never betrays you. There was a time in my preparation whenever I got stuck in a question and I was like, okay, I cannot do this. Then I always reminded me of the phrase that no, hard work will never betray me. I can never betray hard work.
इंटरेस्टिंग. सो वॉज इट डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर यू जैसे ही लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ तो क्लासेस ऑफलाइन एकदम से ख़त्म एंड यू हैड टू गो ऑनलाइन. हाउ वॉज इट फॉर यू?
Yeah, it was a bit disturbing when the transition was really simple. It was made simple with the effort of Akash Byju's, definitely. It took me a few days to adapt to the new atmosphere of online learning, but since they were as beginner friendly and student friendly as the offline classes, it was very simple to switch.
Is there any particular subject that you're very fond of and one subject which you don't like much?
I'm in extremely love with biology, my subject. And physics was the one that was more trouble. But yeah, I definitely cleared it.
So what is your advice? How do you study physics? Because you know that you don't like it that much. So what is your style? How do you manage with the stress जो physics देता है तुमको?
Physics में सबसे पहले you have to go after theory. Teachers पर trust करना बहुत important है. I have seen students who don't study notes. They believe books are sufficient, but it's not. हमें पहले notes पढ़ने हैं. After that we need to do the previous year questions and then go after the good questions like which are given in our modules. So I have seen students who approach towards new books. They go to the market and they demand for new books, but it's not important to go after many books. It's just you need to believe in Akash that the books are extremely sufficient and you'll do great.
I am very sure of that, Sanya, that you'll really do great in life. So I noticed that there is certain kind of calmness in Sanya's voice, और वो calmness की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है when you have big dreams. Doctor बनना is not going to be easy. The journey is going to have the complete set of struggles for sure. लेकिन if you're ready and prepared by the right person, mentor, coach or guide, then you can definitely beat anyone and everyone. If you are also looking for that right coach in your life, no need to go anywhere. Just visit akash.ac.in.